Hey friends, welcome to beautiful Colorado where yes, we do surf. Here in Colorado, we river surf. It's absolutely incredible, but we do run into some problems with drying wetsuits. So on today's video, I'm going to show you a really quick hack, something that we use here in Colorado to really make sure our wetsuits get nice and dry and ready for our next session. So here's my first hack to show you, and this is my homemade drying rack. This is made out of PVC pipe. I got all this from a resale store, so it cost me like 10 bucks to make. Super easy, you put it together kind of like Legos. And then what you can do is you can hang your wetsuits from here. You can see I've got these little stands for my booties to help dry, and even a life vest. We typically wear these in the river when we're surfing. Now, one of the best parts about this specific style of rack is it's highly portable. You can pick it up easily and stick it in an area that gets lots of sunshine. That's a premium for us here in Colorado, especially in the shoulder seasons and winter season. But even with sunshine, we run into problems when hanging our wetsuits on these traditional hangers. Let me show you what I mean. This is my 3-2 chest zip Ho Stevie wetsuit. By the way, probably one of the most comfortable wetsuits I've ever owned. Love this thing. But if I hang it on the traditional hanger, as you can see, it just flattens out like this. We don't get a lot of airflow, and so drying, especially on the inside, can take a long time. Now we can make drying a whole lot more efficient by using this Ho Stevie wetsuit hanger. Now this thing folds up really compact, you can see, and then once I get it out, I get it on my makeshift dryer here. This thing performs so much better because of these airflow holes, because of the width, and it just makes that wetsuit spread out so that we get a ton of airflow inside. Look at the difference that makes in the shoulder area here. You can see how much more it spreads things out, creates that airflow all throughout that chest area where usually there's a lot of extra padding. And so again, it's typically the last place on our wetsuits that really is able to dry. And so having that extra airflow can speed up that process significantly. If you're a surfer, you absolutely know how awful it can be to slip into a wet wetsuit. It's just an awful experience. So any kind of hack that we can find to help make that process of drying out a wetsuit, getting us ready for the next session is absolutely critical. These two things, this rack, I highly suggest building one of those, and then go get one of these wetsuit hangers. They really do make a difference. I think you'll really enjoy it. If you're interested in grabbing one of these wetsuit hangers, a wetsuit from Ho Stevie, you can actually find all of their gear right here on Amazon. And then stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. We do a ton of these gear review videos, river surf videos, stuff that gets you outside and enjoying life. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.